Welcome to SwiftCoin. In this tutorial, we will show you how to sign up for a Bitget account and complete the identity verification process. To sign up for a Bitget account, follow these simple steps. Click on the profile icon on Bitget. Select Sign Up. Fill out all the required entry fields, then click Create Account. Check your email inbox for a verification code from Bitget. Enter the code in the Bitget app. Now, you have signing up successful. Click Verify now to proceed with the verification process. Next, click Verify to start the KYC process. Select ID card as your certification type. Make sure you have your ID card ready for the next steps. Upload a photo that shows the front of your ID card clearly. You can either take a photo with your camera or choose a photo from your gallery. Make sure the photo is in color, has good lighting, and shows all the details of your ID card. Upload a photo that shows the back of your ID card clearly. Click Scan Face to capture your facial image. This is to confirm that you are the owner of the ID card. Prepare to capture your facial image. Follow the instructions on the screen and make sure your face is fully visible and aligned with the frame. You have finished the verification process and it is awaiting review. You will receive an email from Bitget once your account is verified and activated. Congratulations, you have successfully signed up for a Bitget account and completed the verification process. You can now enjoy the full benefits of Bitget. Happy trading!